What's up, everybody? It is Robert here with learningtodj.com, and we are back in this miniature practical series on the topic of versatility. And in this video, we are going to be tackling another exercise, fun exercise to challenge our ability to be versatile and adaptive as DJs. So let's talk about the exercise that we are going to be looking into today. And now, I think it was Francois K, an old school New York DJ, who said that house music originated when you took the break of a track and turned it into the track itself. So the break was the portion of a particular song where the vocals all dropped out, a lot of the instruments dropped out, and you just really had the drumming and the percussive elements of the drummer moving. And this was the part of the track that people really got down to and really grooved with. And this is most notable in the b-boy type of culture or breakdancing type of culture, where you had the b-boys who were, waiting for the track to hit the break so that they could get out on the floor and they could really just show off their incredible moves and incredible dancing skills. And so over time, DJs learned that their crowds really loved these breaks start the track, and they tried to extend these breaks longer and longer and longer, using either two copies of a record or actually manipulating tapes, cutting pieces of tape and gluing them together so that the break could go on and loop and loop and loop. And that's kind of where the looping culture or looping style of electronic music really came about. So in this exercise, we're going to take some of that insight, but we're going to ground it in the reality that a lot of times these tracks or these breaks in these tracks will be quite short. And so the challenge or exercise that we're going to tackle today is trying to mix in these sort of short burst intervals. And the way that we're going to do this is by essentially only allowing us to play back a maximum of 45 seconds of a particular track. In doing so, you will start to get a little bit of a greater appreciation for sort of the heat or the hot seat that the DJ often felt when they were mixing in a club using something like vinyl, where they really had to be on top of their game and knowing which parts of the track they wanted to pick, because they would have to very quickly learn how to beat mix into the next track. So in this exercise, go ahead, try and find a couple of tracks, maybe 5 to 10 tracks that you are going to play for this set, and give yourself a maximum of 2 play per track. And be very honest with yourself, and perhaps even set a timer or something like that so you know if you've gone over or not. And so, as you can see from that demonstration, it is a little bit of a scramble, and it is pretty difficult to try and jump between tracks so quickly and try to find the parts of the track that are interesting and beat match them quickly, as well as transition in quickly and transition out quickly. So maybe 45 seconds is a little bit too short. Maybe give yourself about a minute and try this kind of exercise. See if you can fit 10 tracks in 10 minutes, all with beat matching manually and moving between tracks. Okay, so this has been Robert here with learningtodj.com. in the Versatility series. Join me in the next video as we continue this amazing journey on expanding our versatility.